Okay guys, so I just got the downstairs train XR15 starting up. It's got a recip, climate tough recip. This was also installed by Jones Heating and Air. That's getting warm and that's already as cold. Alright, this one is from 2010 and it is a 2-ton. It's got 410A refrigerant. It's got an RU fan motor. And we got the upstairs one also running. That's hot. Ice cold. So. And yeah, I already got the data on this one. Go watch that video if you haven't already. I am going to get a shutdown of this, but not right now. So. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.